Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Optum Bank account using a mobile device. If you'd like to log into your online banking account for Optum Bank, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. Now in the web address bar at the top, type in www.optumbank.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Simply tap on the sign in button in the middle of the screen in blue in order to end up in the login area for your bank account. Tap on the sign in button one more time. Now from this page, scroll all the way down and tap on sign into your online account button if you already have an account. If you don't, then you can go ahead and create your online account by scrolling a bit down and tapping on create your online account. Since we are logging into our existing account, let me tap on this sign into your online account button. Soon after you do that, on the next tab, you'll be able to see your sign-in area for your bank account. Start by entering your username. Right where it says username, make sure to type it in correct and then head over to the password text box. Type in your password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password or your username, you can tap on this link right beneath that says forgot username or password and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password. If you'd like the system to remember your information before logging in, you can tap on this remember me box. But for your security, make sure to uncheck this box if you are using a public computer or a shared mobile device. Finally, after typing in all of the information correct, tap on the sign in button in blue and you'll be logged into your online banking account for Optum Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.